Hey everybody, Travis Holzem with Food Forest Abundance. And we are sitting at about 5 o'clock on Wednesday. And we are just trying to put the finishing touches on this epic food forest. And wait till you see what we did today. This is 3 days, people. Obviously, it could take longer, but we had plenty of help. And well, when a team works together, everybody has the same goals, things happen to work out. But wait till you see this. We're going to start with the desert cantina. We added some cactus and some succulents, a couple of Spanish plum trees, and some hibiscus that are not quite in the ground yet, but a lot of cactuses. Then we also have a beneficial food forest with many different plants, trees, fruit trees. They're all perennials. And then we also have a vineyard with 6 different types of grapes. And then we have a medicine spiral or medicine circle. It turned out absolutely amazing. It's not quite finished yet, but it looks great the way it is. But once it gets mature and once everything is planted in it, it's going to be amazing. But I'm going to flip you around and take you a little walk through. Here we go. I'm going to turn. I can't turn you sideways now because I started it the other way. But here you go. All your cactus. Got the agave.
I didn't think the brown looks more desert, but I think they want plain desert, and we can tell them the next days we'll finish it out.
Trees. Alright. I should have started this video sideways to start, but I didn't. But now we are going to go up. I'm going to show you the food forest. Alright, here we go. Here's along the side. Here comes Austin. Look at all them trees. Just think, in a year from now, 2 years from now, that is going to be a food forest that is thriving, and there's going to be fruit everywhere.
There you go.
Look at Jim's wearing a nice hat. Here we go. Look at all that amazingness. And here we got the vineyard. 6 different kinds of grapes in there. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Absolutely beautiful what this turned into. When I put the before and afters up, you're going to be amazed. And here we got a nice little raised bed here. And we're going to get over to the magical spot, the centerpiece of this food forest. Look at that. Can you see it? And then eventually this trellis is going to be grown. But I'm going to take a little walk in here. There it goes there.
Where you put the other ones? I think he's going to come take this.
Look at that. There's a path all the way around there. A nice bench to sit on in the back there. Can you see that? Eventually there'll be a banana tree back there. But look at that. You'll be able to sit in the middle and relax. That berm in the back is going to be planted out. Look at that. Absolutely beautiful.
Good. They were just under the cardboard?
This is what we did in 3 days, people. We transformed this backyard into abundance for years to come. If you want something like this, even on a smaller scale, here we go. Even on a smaller scale, doesn't matter how big your yard is. You could have a 1/4 acre, you could have 44 acres like this gentleman has. I mean, we only did, I don't know, probably an acre, but call us, email us, Travis at foodforestabundance.com, or give me a call, 612-990-5345, or just visit our website. Fill out the contact form, and we got this guy coming. All right, everybody, food forests everywhere. Have an amazing night. Give me, I'd like to see your comments and what you think, and if you love this just as much as I do.